If you run a manufacturing business, audits are coming, whether it's financial, compliance, internal, or grant-related. The question is, will you be ready when they knock? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to prepare for all 4 types of audits using real-world examples and strategies from firms just like yours. Let's start with the financial statement audit. These audits check your financial health, usually for lenders, investors, or partners. You're a mid-sized metal fabrication shop in Ohio. A potential buyer is reviewing your books and wants audited financials. Reconcile bank and inventory accounts monthly, record depreciation for equipment, use accrual accounting, not cash basis. Clean up accounts receivable aging. Don't forget to tie production logs to your cost of goods manufactured. Your inventory valuation should match your ERP data, down to the nut and bolt. Next up, compliance audits. These review how well you follow federal, state, or local regulations. You use hazardous chemicals to coat machinery parts. OSHA or the EPA schedules a surprise audit. MSDS logs updated and accessible. Documented staff safety training, internal inspection reports, written corrective actions after incidents. If you export components, you'll also need ITAR or EAR documentation. Don't just comply, prove it with paperwork. Internal audits help you assess risk and improve operations. These should be done before someone else audits you. You notice discrepancies in material shrinkage between inventory records and floor stock. Something's off. Set up quarterly cycle counts. Segregate duties. No one person should purchase, approve, and receive. Review procurement and payment logs for anomalies. Conduct a mini walkthrough of your processes. One manufacturer caught a $40,000 per year leak in their assembly process by doing a simple variance analysis. Internal audits pay for themselves. If you receive $750,000 or more in federal grant funds in a year, you must undergo a single audit under 2 CFR 200 Subpart F. You win a $1.2 million CHIPS Act grant to upgrade robotics in your plant. Now you're subject to a single audit. Separate accounts for grant versus general funds. Track direct and indirect costs clearly. Store quotes, bids, and procurement justifications. Create time and effort logs for salaried employees paid by the grant. Align your chart of accounts to match the approved budget. Remember, auditors don't just want to know what you spent, they want to see that you followed the rules about how you spent it. Here's how you get audit ready. First, build clean, real-time records. Second, follow the rules and document them. Third, review your processes before someone else does. And fourth, align your systems with your funding streams. Need help designing audit-proof systems for your manufacturing firm? Visit simplifiedsolutionssystems.com to book your free consultation today.